This video will walk you through some of the basics of the website or iPad app called Recap. One of the first things you'll need to do once you're signed into Recap, and you can sign in with your Google credentials, is to add a class. And this is an important question. It tells you down here that you want to use email or class pin, and we're going to use email, even though when they say email, it means they're going to use email and a class pin together. So we'll do that, and then add class, and then you will need this pin that you provide to students. So now I'm going to go to letsrecap.com/student-register, and I want to choose sign up with Google. That's what students will do. And they will need that pin. And then students will click allow. And this would be what their home screen looks like, and they will see any of their classes. So you can add a recap and then add it to classes, any of these classes you've got, or if you are in a specific class, you can add a recap there. So just think about it before you click add recap, whether or not it's something you're going to want to assign to all your classes, or if you just want to create it in a specific class. And again, you can set this to be handed out to specific students in the class or the whole class. This does allow you to differentiate for your learners if you've got kids that you know are going to struggle with the writing, and if that's not an important component of the answer, why not hand it out so that they can explain in words rather than struggling with the writing. You can also send out this, which is an assess yourself poll question that gets handed out, and you can change the due date. And what students would then do is open up their earth science class. They would see the precipitation question. They would click respond. They would record their answer. I wonder if this is going to work well because I'm making a recording of a recording, maybe of a recording. Then they respond to their second question. Once they're done with all their questions, they will click submit. Once your students are done with their recap, it will show up in their student list. So if we're in our earth science class, this is our home, and it shows the poll that the students did. You can see videos that they've done show up here. If you look at the student view and click on that, it shows their responses, and it creates a daily review reel. So if they did responses to more than one, all of those would show up in that. So hopefully you can see how Recap could be a tool that you could use in your classroom.